When it comes to home improvement projects, few investments deliver the same comfort, energy savings, and curb appeal as new windows. But in Baytown, where the coastal climate brings humidity, heat, and seasonal storms, proper window installation is more than a matter of aesthetics, it's about protection and performance. Unfortunately, many homeowners make avoidable mistakes during window installation that lead to leaks, energy loss, or even structural damage down the road. Knowing what these mistakes are can help you save time, money, and frustration. Skipping professional help. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is attempting to install windows without professional guidance. While DIY installation may seem like a cost-saving idea, improper alignment or sealing can cause serious long-term issues. Baytown's weather demands precision. A small gap or uneven frame can let in moisture, leading to mold growth or wood rot. Certified window installers have the tools and training to ensure each window fits perfectly and seals properly. They also understand local building codes and manufacturer specifications, ensuring your warranty remains valid. Choosing the wrong type of window. Not every window type suits Baytown's unique Gulf Coast climate. Some homeowners pick windows based solely on price or appearance, overlooking crucial features like insulation, UV protection, or resistance to corrosion. For instance, aluminum frames may conduct heat, making your HVAC system work harder in summer, while vinyl or fiberglass options offer better energy efficiency and durability. Double pane or low-E glass can also help block heat transfer and keep interiors cooler. Before purchasing, consult an expert who can recommend windows designed to handle Baytown's humidity and temperature swings. Ignoring proper measurement accuracy is key when it comes to window sizing. Even a fraction of an inch can make a difference between a snug fit and a drafty disaster. Many homeowners take rough measurements, assuming caulk or insulation will compensate for the gaps, a costly misconception. A window that's too small leaves open spaces for air leaks, while one that's too large may require trimming the opening, potentially weakening structural integrity. Professional installers measure precisely, factoring in allowances for expansion and contraction caused by Baytown's changing weather conditions. Overlooking moisture barriers and insulation. Baytown's frequent rain and high humidity make moisture control a top priority. Skipping proper flashing, sealants, or weather barriers during installation can lead to water infiltration behind the frame. Over time, this can cause damage to drywall, insulation, and even the home's framing. Similarly, poor insulation around the window can let in drafts, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. The solution is simple. Always ensure that installers apply moisture barriers and use high-quality, waterproof sealants rated for coastal climates. Forgetting about energy efficiency. Homeowners often focus on how the window looks rather than how it performs. Choosing non-energy efficient windows might save money up front but can significantly increase energy bills over time. In Baytown, where summers are long and hot, energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings and insulated frames can help reduce cooling costs. Look for ENERGY STAR-rated products to ensure your windows meet national efficiency standards. You'll enjoy a more comfortable indoor climate and lower utility expenses throughout the year. Neglecting post-installation maintenance. Even after professional installation, windows require regular care. Homeowners sometimes assume that once installed, windows are maintenance-free, but this isn't the case. Dirt, salt, and moisture from Baytown's coastal air can build up on seals and frames, affecting their longevity. Cleaning windows regularly, inspecting caulking, and lubricating hardware can prevent wear and tear. Simple seasonal maintenance can extend your window's lifespan and keep them looking and performing like new. Final thoughts. Avoiding these common mistakes during window installation in Baytown ensures your investment delivers long-lasting value. Proper installation not only boosts your home's appearance but also enhances comfort, energy efficiency, and protection against the elements. Whether you're upgrading outdated windows or replacing storm-damaged ones, working with experienced professionals, choosing the right materials, and following best installation practices are essential steps for success. If you're planning a window installation in Baytown, prioritize expertise, precision, and quality materials, because the right choices today will safeguard your home for years to come.